and I searched online. I searched online for more information about the schools the flyers of the schools she brought home. And Pacesetters was the one that caught my eye. And what made it more certain was the tuition fee. It is quite reasonable and it is affordable. That was when I knew my kids were going to Pacesetters. And I've never regretted sending them to Pacesetters. Thank you, Principal Charity. And I asked around, what is the secret behind the success of Pacesetters? And I keep getting the same answer. Barrister Ken, the chairman. And I said to myself, one day I'll have to meet this gentleman and ask him, what is the secret? But I will still find time and sit down with you and ask you. It is quite unfortunate that we have to send our kids to a private school in Nigeria. I was a product of a government school, Federal Government College, Kano. But what happened? Why is the standard of education in Nigeria degrading? We have to ask ourselves that. Emanuela has spoken, and she has spoken well. She asked us why are Nigerians flying abroad, as they call it, Japa. But it all comes down to the leadership. So something has to be done. I was told Barrister Ken is contesting for the governorship of Edo State. And I said to myself, what if he becomes the governor? I think it would be a very good opportunity, and it's going to be an advantage to the educational system in Nigeria. Because I believe he will do something about the public schools in Edo State, which will be a model to other states. Because education is the key. Without education, we are going nowhere. Pacesetters is doing what the NYSC and the Unity schools are supposed to be doing, which is uniting Nigeria. I have seen the cultural dances, and my daughter was part of the Benin tribe. And I was telling Senator, even though she couldn't dance like a TV or Idoma, but she tried, and at least it will still be in her head. She will know who are the Benue people. So I'm happy to be invited. When I was informed about this, I was supposed to be out of the country today. I I was supposed to be in the UK today for a graduation of a daughter of a dear friend of mine, the former Emir of Sunusi. But I called him yesterday and I told him I'll be late because I have to attend the Pacesetter's Academy graduation. And I would love to see Mr. Peter Obi in person. I was with Dati Baba a day before yesterday in Kano. He is an in-law to me. So by proxy, Mr. Peter Obi, you are also my in-law. I thank you all and I congratulate the graduating class of 2023. You have a long way to go. This is the beginning of your life. And I wish you all the best. Thank you and God bless.
Updates.